guys, today we'll be making an extra large Poofy and Ruffle summer deco mesh wreath. What you will need: I have a 24-inch wreath ring with the stems attached, 10-inch deco mesh, scissors or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So I like to raise all of my stems first prior to attaching my mesh, just to make the wreath making process a lot faster. Alright, so I have cut my 10-inch mesh into 10-inch long pieces. There are actually two ways you can do this. So you can layer them one on top of the other and scrunch in the center like that, or you can overlap them just to make it like wider, poofier. So I would just overlap them halfway. Again, both ways are cute, both ways would work, just personal preference. I'm going to use 5 or 6 pieces of mesh for each bundle. Once you have your desired amount, you're just going to scrunch, 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 scrunch in the center. Just like that. Take my bundle and place it on my inner ring. Twist it a couple of times and tuck it away. And once we get more place, we'll be able to kind of flare it out and fan it out a little bit more. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps all the way around my ring, alternating the color order, just making it nice, fun, poofy, and fluffy, and really whimsical. I have green. I'm going to overlap with the yellow. And I'm kind of alternating which side I overlap it on. And I'm doing this for all 6 pieces. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch in the center. Take my bundle, place it in the next stem, twist it a couple of times, and tuck it away. And it's going to make a really poofy and fluffy wreath once we have all the mesh in place. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the mesh placed and show you what it's looking like. As you can see, it's looking so cute and poofy already. Once I get more mesh, I'll be able to kind of flare it out and fluff this out even more. And this is only halfway, not even halfway around the inner ring. So we still have the rest of the inner and the complete outer ring to add our mesh. So this is going to be an extra poofy and ruffly and really cute summer wreath. So the way I'm layering it with the green, yellow, white, I finish up with having one of each color on either side. So I have green, white, yellow, and I have green, yellow, and white. That way it's going to spread out and kind of mesh the colors together a lot nicer. Alright, so the inner ring is complete. You can't really see it too well because the wreath is so large, but it's so cute and poofy. And once I get more mesh in place, I'll be able to kind of flare it out and fan it out a little bit more, but I can already tell it's going to be so cute and precious. So now I'm going to get mesh added to the outer ring. So as you can see, when you add the second layer, it really makes the wreath extra poofy, which is the look that I was going for. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of the bundles placed and show you the finished product. Alright, so I have all of my mesh in place. Now I'm just going back around, separating and fanning out my layers just to make it even fluffier and poofier. You can leave it layered if you choose to do so. So I'm just doing this all the way around my wreath. Just adjusting and modifying where needed. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. You can add an adorable sign to the center, some embellishments throughout the wreath, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. This wreath is absolutely gorgeous. It's so huge. This is a 24-inch wreath ring. And this wreath is just so huge, large, and poofy. And it's just so cute and adorable. Perfect for summer.